Well, good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, December 10th, 2024. You're in the live trading room with Tim the Trader. Good morning, everybody. Hope you all had a lovely evening and afternoon. This is yesterday's trades. Boy, we opened up with that that stop out, but just kept taking trades all the way down. Actually, took a couple extra trades at the end of the day and ended up in nicely positive territory end of the day. So was some tradable moments, particularly starting at about 108. We had another swing high followed by a very slow sell-off, but still there was plenty of scalping available in here. And that's what we did. We just scalped on the way down and picked up trades and got out of that early hole and did just fine yesterday. So, and I know that because I got a lot of reports of people who did really well yesterday, and congratulations on that. So, Q, let me let some folks in as we're doing this. So, Q closed at 522.48, and it's sitting at 523.48 right now. Doesn't look like we have a gap play this morning. Let me just double check that. No, no gap play this morning. Let's see. Let's see if we had. I'm not sure what reports came out this morning. Keith, of course, is gone till Friday, visiting his mom in Florida, which is good. And let's head over to the option chain. We have just a hair under a 500,000 traded in pre-market volume. We will be trading tomorrow's expiration, which is the 11th of December 24 on your option chain. Let somebody in. And we will start at or around the 523 on the call side and the 524 on the put side. And this is about the time I would throw it over to Keith, but Keith is probably in the air right now, flying down to Florida. So we will not have a report this morning. I know that we have CPI numbers coming out later this week, which is good. We'll see what happens then. Consumer Price Index, which comes out, which usually always affects the market. And let's make sure that we have 20 cents between each of our hash marks on our charts. Right there, I'm always referring to this side of each of the charts. Make sure we have that. Let me, there we go. Zoom that up and I'll set up my active trader. We've got about a minute. Let me let some more folks in. A little over a minute before we start. We're going to make it a great day. We go options, and let me scroll to the bottom. There we go. Change this to 14. And I'll just load in a call for now. There we go. We got about 45 seconds left. Market has been slowly climbing in pre-market. And we'll get numbers of the broader indices as soon as we start. Okay. Got 15 seconds. And 10 seconds. All right, let's make it a great day in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we're in. Price pushing down. So I'll end up at the 425 on the put side and probably the 522 on the call side, 525 on the put side. I like to be one in the money. Let's see if we've got some broader indices reporting yet. And Dow is down 102, Nas is up 61, S&P is up 3. So we got mixed markets. Yeah, I make it that way. Still pushing down. So I'm going to go over the 524 on the put side. 524, stand by. Getting pushed back quite a bit. Actually, I'm going to move the 525 on the put side back to the 525. Got our Heikenasi MACDs definitely in the put bias position. Our 5-minute MACD is heading that direction. Getting a little bit of a reversal now. Back up to VWAP, through VWAP. Just hit a million in the underlying volume. Price trying to climb here a bit. Price climbing again, past VWAP. Heading over to the call side. I'll be at the 522 on the call side. Dow down 191 now, Nas up 84, S&P is flat. Mm-hmm. So price is going to continue to climb here. All right. Stand by on this 522 on the call side. 522 on the call side. Stand by. Come on, price rise. All right. 522 on the call side. Stand by, everybody. Just want to see a little more confirmation. All right. I'm going to go ahead and enter the 522. And I'm filled at 319. Looking like stand by to take some profit here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here. Out at 331, 319 to 331.
Nice. 314 to 332.
All right.
Thanks, Tim. So you are actually a genius.
Oh, Ashim, thank you.
You are. Thanks.
You are so welcome. All right, I'm
Morning,
going to.
Tim. Oh, I thought it was going to go the other way like yesterday.
Yeah, I know. It was looking like that, wasn't it? I was, in fact, it hit me. It was looking exactly like that same trade we had yesterday. All right, I'm going to go back to the 523 on the call side. Okay, stand by the 523 on the call side. I'm going to go ahead and re-enter this again, which I did and filled at 275. All right, stand by to take some profit. Let's go ahead and just take some quick profit there. And out at 284, 275 to 284. Yeah, I thought I had more than that.
276 to 284.
Okay. Yeah, I thought we got a little more profit out of it than that. Okay, that's fine. All right, let's go back again to the 523 on the call side. Stand by. Down. Pull this down a little bit. Pull this down a little bit. Okay. 523 on the call side. Stand by. I may wait for this to pull back a little bit. Okay. Hold on. Wow. Still growing. All right. I'm going to go ahead and re-enter this. And in at 314.
Just passed me.
Ah, all right. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here. Out at 325, 314 to 325. And I think that's all we're going to take on this swing high. We'll wait for the reversal to set up. Let's see what our broader markets are looking like. So Dow is down 138, Nas is up 129, S&P's up 7. Getting a little reversal here. So let's head over to the 526 on the put side. The 526. Stand by. All right, 526 on the put side. See if we get some profit taking going on here. So reversing back from that reversal, surprisingly. Always takes a little bit for price to get turned around after a long swing high or sell off. So 3 positive trades right off the bat, off that nice swing high, plus 32 so far. And we are looking at the 526 on the put side, 526. Stand by. All right, let's enter this 526 on the put side. Pass me by. I'm going to reset it. There we go. Got in that time at 286. stand by to take some profit here. I'm gonna go ahead and take some profit. There we go. Out at 297, 286 to 297.
Same here. 286 to 297.
All right. All right, let's go immediately back to the 525 on the put side. 525. Actually, I'm going to move to the 526 on the put side. 526. Yeah, let's get through VWAP. We do have a supply zone we can put in. See if it's going to bounce right off of VWAP here. We've got 2,800,000 in on the underlying. We've got 4 positive trades in so far. Got a doji there. We'll see if that results in a reversal. Got a doji and we're close to VWAP. Kind of a double whammy in terms of seeing a reversal setup. All right. I'm going to go back over to the 525 on the put side. Stand by. I'm going to go ahead and enter this. And I'm in at 280. All right. I'm gonna jump out of this. I don't like this. Out at 284, 280 to 284. I just didn't like the movement on this.
$280 to $285.
Okay.
Now it will go down. Just wait.
Yeah. It probably will.
No, you are right. It's going up.
Yeah. What was happening was just slowing down a little bit.
It's losing traction.
Okay. Let me go ahead and get a supply zone added to the top here.
Shame. happened? I didn't hear your voice yesterday.
Oh, so we had some emergency actually.
Okay, I was just wondering.
Yeah, we missed you yesterday, Shane.
I know. Yeah.
Yeah, see how price is slowing down now. I mean, it may still be profitable, but it's just slowing down. That was my concern. But still going down. All right, let's see here. See if this is going to reverse.
Team, I'm using that new template, and you know what? So then I'm just drawing zone in a 5-minute chart, but it's not reflecting to 1 minute.
It's
Do you
not,
know?
it's not
No,
showing on your 1 minute.
no.
Okay, make sure that you have, let me get my drawing tools out. That down here in the lower right corner,
Okay,
that these all match.
okay, okay.
Hey, Tim, while this is going on, can I tell you about yesterday?
Yeah, please.
So I called again and he explained it to me better. Basically, what I was doing, I don't know how, I was putting in a put and a call at the same time, and that's not allowed.
Oh, okay.
But I don't know how I was doing that. I said, well, can you explain to me? And he couldn't explain it to me. He went into my account, he looked at it, he goes, I can't see what you were doing, but that's basically what you were doing.
Okay, that will do it.
So that was it.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have, or anybody, do you have a way of tracking this, of writing this? It's going up.
Any way of tracking?
Your trades.
Yeah, they show up in my filled orders on Thinkorswim. Actually, hold on just a second. Let's go over to the 522 on the call side. See if this breaks through. It is. Stand by. Let's make sure this isn't a crazy Ivan. And I also use just a plain old 5.5 by 7 notebook to write down my trades. Then I track trades and make notes. Let's see, let's go to the 523 on the call side. 523. Stand by.
We're in the pop now too.
Ah, thank you.
Yep.
That came in up on me and I didn't even notice it. All right, still stand by on the 523 on the call side. All right, let's go ahead and enter this 523. And in at 289. There it goes, Ashim. You got it. All right, stand by. I'm going to go ahead and just take some quick profit here out at 292, 283 to 292.
285 to 294.
Okay, 9, that is plus 56. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, already 6 trades this morning up plus 56. So I wanted to get out before it hit the supply zone because it tends to reverse, of course, as we know, tends to reverse at the zones. And we can put in a demand zone, perfect agreement here on the bottom. So let's add that in. Getting great price movement this morning. There we go. So we've got 3,500,000 in on the underlying. Good directional movement today. This looks like our favorite market maker is at the controls today. Dow is now down 85, Nasdaq's up 117, S&P's up almost 7. Six trades, all positive this morning so far. Breaking through the supply zone on the first try.
Five trade, 57 cents.
Nice job, Ashim.
Thanks. Right now, team, actually, so now what I'm doing is first trade. So I do like a more contract, and then from second trade, if I make money on first trade,
Mm-hmm.
so I just reduce the contract, and then I start doing second, third, fourth, whatever.
I
So then,
see.
what happens is if I by chance lost money, so it's okay for me.
Okay. All right, so let's go back over to the call side. Probably go to the 524 on the call side. Although we are getting near, we're actually we're right up to the high, that previous high. Let's see if it breaks through. All right, it's breaking through now through that previous high. So anyway, going to the 524 on the call side. Stand by. Reversing here a bit. Up to 3,900,000, about to hit 4 million on the underlying. And broader markets. Dow is now down 136, Nas up 133, S&P's up 6 and 0.24. Like we may be going into a consolidation phase right now, or a distribution phase, as VPA likes to call it. By the way, tomorrow we'll be doing another lesson on volume price analysis. We'll be going to chapter 6 in the book. So obviously we're not going to be doing that call trade. We're in a bit of a reversal here. Andrew, 5 trades plus 45. Way to go. Yeah, we've had a busy morning. 6 trades plus 56. Rita, 5 trades plus 45. Look at you.
Thank you.
Nice job, Rita.
Yeah, thank you, Dean. I'm learning now. I'm
Yeah,
in.
that is awesome. That's Rita D. She doesn't live too far away from me. Just another neighbor here in North Georgia. So price came right down to the supply zone price level, right to the penny, bounced off of it, and is heading north again. Starting to get some wave action going here, some smaller wave action going here, so we might be able to scalp some of these. Let's see which direction. Might be a little, at least for the NASDAQ, a little stronger in the call direction, with NAS being up 133. price trying to reverse here. Let's see if we're going to continue this wave action. And of course, I'm referring to this type of wave action. Yeah, looks like we're in another distribution phase going sideways. Hey, Cliff, I'm sorry, I did not see your previous question. Would you mind reposting that? Okay. Ashim, we have a question for you. Cliff's asking, you referenced a new template. Would you explain that?
Oh, I mean, it's a so actually means that this is because I didn't have I mean active trader, so I don't know, somehow I lost it,
Uh-huh.
and then I ask you, then you send me, you just email me that template with the active trader,
Yeah.
and I just add it to my Thinkorswim. So
Mm-hmm.
now I have, I mean, active trader there.
Oh,
So
okay.
yeah, this is my new template.
Okay.
I just referred to.
So Cliff, he's just referencing that he just added active trader back into his platform. See if we get a bounce off of the supply zone again, back into a call. And we do have a higher agreement here. So we're going to duplicate the supply zone. I'm going to bring it up a little bit right there. And we'll duplicate the price level, bring it up to here, like so. And then we'll turn this one gray, the old one gray. HSV 60. And turn the price level gray. There we go. Been getting into some pretty low volume here the last 10 or so minutes. Let's see if price reverses and continues this wave pattern. If it does, probably go to the 524 on the call side. All right, stand by on the 524. Price still dropping, didn't quite turn around. Price kind of getting stuck here at this minor zone. Still continuing to try to sell off. I was hoping this would continue our wave action. All right, both our 1 minute and 5 minute MACDs are now in the put bias position, coming down to VWAP. Let's see if it pushes through or if we bounce off VWAP. Pushing right on through. All right, we are an hour in. We've got 4.8 million traded on the underlying. And Dow is just down 42 now. Nas up 86. S&P up 5.5. Not huge numbers, but we have had good price movement this morning and managed to grab 6 trades out of it. There's the turnaround. You guys, I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Um, Kathy, six trades up over $1 at $1.09. Great job, Kathy. Wow. Kathy having,
Wow, it's a big wow.
yeah, she's having a great day. Amazing day. You can see how we're getting some wave action going here. See if this continues. Just hit the 5 million mark a few minutes ago of the underlying volume. See if anything's changed in our broader markets. Dow is down 33. NAS has finally broken 100 at 101, plus 101. S&P is up 9.38. Price heading down through VWAP again. Let's see if it gets another reversal here. I'm going to go over to the 524 on the call side. So this is following a fairly predictable pattern. You could scalp these just as they begin to turn. This one turned kind of quickly, but the idea is to, wait for it to turn a minute and then jump in. In this instance, this would be, jump in on the put trade and just be patient as it moves its way down. or as it moves its way up. But we're kind of bouncing between this minor zone and VWAP. I don't know if I'm going to take any of these scalps. I'm pretty pleased with what I have right now, and I do not want to give any back. But I'm just saying that these scalps are available. Yep. See how this is reversing now? Could get into a call trade. Ooh, this one's diving. This may go all the way down to the demand zone before it reverses. Price still selling off here. Got a bit of a sell-off going on. There's a reversal finally setting up. We want to say good morning to Mr. Barnaby, who's joining us from Hawaii, who is kindly getting up in the middle of his night to trade with us. He says, yes, sir, still dark. Yeah, I'll bet. He says, lots of profit today. I'm impressed. Thank you. Yeah, we've had a very good morning. 6 trades, no losses, up 56. That's a good morning for us.
Hey, Tim,
Yes, sir.
can I get your contact info?
Sure. Absolutely.
Will you message it to me?
I will.
Thank you, sir.
You got it. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up for this morning. We are fast approaching the top of the hour. We had a great morning this morning. 6 trades. Some of you had 5. Some of you were up a buck 9, Kathy. and saw a bunch of reports on folks doing real well this morning. So that is awesome, guys. Thank you for reporting your trades and profits to us. That's it for this morning. We will get together tomorrow morning and we will do it again. So you guys all have a wonderful day, and we'll leave charts up for a while. And
Thank you, Tim.
you're very welcome. And I'll talk to you all tomorrow. Take care.